Have you ever wondered why intimacy feels so different at various points in your life? Testosterone could be the missing link. This powerful hormone influences everything from your desire to engage in sex to how satisfying the experience feels. Shockingly, a Nature Reviews endocrinology study revealed that men with low testosterone levels report up to 52% less interest in sexual activity. What's more, declining testosterone levels aren't just a natural part of aging. They're being accelerated by modern lifestyles. If you've noticed a dip in your libido, or feel like sexual pleasure isn't what it used to be, this video will shed light on why. Testosterone is at the center of it all, and how you can take back control. Stick around to learn how testosterone impacts your sexual desire, stamina, arousal, and even your relationships. And by the end, you'll discover actionable steps to optimize this essential hormone for a more satisfying and fulfilling life. Testosterone is often called the desire hormone for a reason. It's the driving force behind sexual libido in men. Higher testosterone levels are directly tied to more frequent sexual thoughts, fantasies, and interest in engaging in intimacy. Men with healthy testosterone levels report a consistent desire for sexual activity, while those with low testosterone, often a result of hypogonadism, can lose interest entirely. According to Dr. Abraham Moore Gentler from Harvard Medical School, testosterone is the spark plug for sexual motivation. Without this spark, the engine of desires simply doesn't start. But the effects don't stop at libido. Testosterone also helps maintain the tissues in the penis and regulates nitric oxide, which is essential for initiating an erection. Men with low testosterone often struggle with weaker erections and reduced responsiveness to arousal. While other factors like blood flow and nerves play a role, testosterone acts as the foundation. Without it, even moments of high arousal can feel less impactful. Beyond desire and erections, testosterone directly influences sexual performance. It impacts stamina, energy, and vitality during intimacy. When testosterone levels are optimal, men tend to feel more confident and energized, making sexual experiences more satisfying for both partners. However, low levels can lead to fatigue, reduced endurance, and even premature ejaculation. According to a study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, men with lower testosterone reported significantly higher instances of sexual dissatisfaction due to these issues. Even sensory arousal, your body's ability to respond to touch, visual cues, or erotic thoughts, is tied to testosterone. This hormone enhances your brain's responsiveness to arousal triggers, making the experience more vivid and intense. Research shows that men with higher testosterone levels have a stronger physiological response to erotic stimuli, while those with low levels report feeling numb or disconnected. Testosterone also plays a critical role in sperm production, or spermatogenesis. Healthy levels ensure the production of viable, healthy sperm. However, when testosterone levels drop, so does sperm count, sometimes significantly. This can directly impact fertility and the ability to conceive. Hormones like follicle-stimulating hormone FSH and luteinizing hormone LH work in tandem with testosterone to regulate reproductive health. But the psychological effects of testosterone on sexual health are just as profound. It's linked to confidence, assertiveness, and even competitiveness traits that directly influence sexual attraction and motivation. On the flip side, low testosterone can lead to mood swings, depression, or irritability. These changes can create a vicious cycle where emotional and psychological factors further dampen libido. Here's where age comes into play. Testosterone levels naturally decline by about 1% per year at the age of 30, a process often called andropause. This decline can lead to reduced libido, less frequent sexual activity, and a general feeling of diminished masculinity. For many men, this hormonal shift also impacts the intensity of sexual pleasure, making arousal and climax less satisfying over time. Men with low testosterone levels frequently report reduced frequency of sexual thoughts, difficulty initiating intimacy, and less enjoyment from the act itself. In severe cases, chronic low testosterone can lead to sexual hypoactive desire disorder (HSDD), a condition where libido is nearly non-existent and significantly impacts quality of life. But there's hope. Testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, has been shown to restore sexual desire and performance in men with clinically low levels of the hormone. Studies reveal that men undergoing TRT often experience increased libido, stronger erections, and more satisfying sexual experiences. However, it's not a magic bullet. TRT isn't suitable for everyone and should only be considered after ruling out other potential causes of low libido, such as stress, medication, or psychological factors. Testosterone doesn't just affect individuals, it also impacts relationships. Men with healthy testosterone levels tend to be more affectionate, intimate, and willing to engage in sexual activity, which strengthens bonds with their partners. Conversely, low testosterone can lead to tension and misunderstandings in relationships, often stemming from a lack of sexual interest or energy. And here's something you might not know. Testosterone even affects physical traits that contribute to sexual attraction. Muscle tone, body fat distribution, and even the depth of a man's voice are influenced by testosterone levels. These traits play a subtle but significant role in sexual confidence and desirability. Finally, testosterone has some surprising effects that most people don't realize. It influences pheromone production, which can subtly impact sexual attraction and behavior. While not as obvious in humans as in animals, research suggests that these chemical signals still play a role in mating behavior and partner selection. So, what can you do to support healthy testosterone levels? Focus on getting enough sleep, maintaining a balanced diet rich in zinc and healthy fats, and incorporating regular strength training into your routine. Avoid processed foods and reduce exposure to environmental toxins like BPA. Small lifestyle changes can lead to big improvements in your hormone balance and your overall sexual health. If this topic resonates with you, check out our other videos for deeper dives into hormonal health and relationship dynamics. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed tips on living your best life, no matter your age. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.